Hi everyone, welcome back. If you are using PhantomBuster and Clay together, this video is going to save you a ton of time. Today I will walk you through how to pull data from a Phantom directly into Clay, step by step. This is perfect if you are collecting leads, scraping profiles, or automating outreach and want that data to flow seamlessly into your Clay setup. Let's get started.
Start by creating a new workbook in Clay. Once it opens, click on All Sources and search for PhantomBuster in the list of available integrations. Select Pull in Leads from PhantomBuster. A pop-up will appear, just click Continue. Next, choose the Phantom or agent you want to import data from using the drop-down menu. You'll then see the option to select a container. To keep things up to date, select Only Fetch the latest container. This ensures you're always working with the most recent results. Then click on Submit. In this example, I've got 6 records, meaning 6 leads have been pulled in. When I click on a row, I can view the full JSON details of the lead. But to make this data actually useful, we need to break it out into columns. Simply hover over the data you want, click Add as column, give it a name, and click Create column. Repeat the same for the data you'd like to see in different columns. You'll now see these fields added as new columns in your table, making it much easier to filter, organize, and take action on your data.
And that's how you bring data from PhantomBuster into Clay without the hassle. If anything wasn't clear or if you've got any question, feel free to drop them in the comment directly or in the PhantomBuster community. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.